Okay, how are we all doing? So, I haven't put a video out in over a week now. Got back to the Bush TV161 and a lot of messing around is being done, but we have it more or less going now. There's a few things I need to address with it, but I'm sort of sick of looking at it on the bench, to be honest with you. And it was starting to be a bit painfully slow with changing one resistor at a time and saying, but anyway, blah blah blah, we're going now, and it's not a bad old television. It needs a lot of tidying up though. It's not great, so I'll run over a few things with you. The system switch on the IF panel was broken, so that's why 625 wasn't too happy. So we've made up a little lever for it, and I'll show you that now. And yeah, that's more or less it. I changed a few more resistors around the line oscillator, and that's fairly good now as well. It's overloading on 625, but it's alright on 405. But so I need to have a look around that. I have the local distance control backed off all the way, but other than that, it has to be working okay on 625 because I'm going to bring it into the house. That's what I'll be using it on, you know. But yeah, overall not a bad old television for something that was pulled out of a skip and was deemed fit for the bin sort of 30 years ago. So anyway, that's 625 lines there now, and not bad at all. Not bad at all. The old hum seems to have gone away out of it. Did have a lot of hum on it at the start, but maybe the caps have reformed. I don't know, but it's working okay there now, and there's no hum on sound either, really. No appreciable hum anyway. They always hummed a little bit either way, but it's fairly good there. Yeah, the system switch, the top of the switch was broken. You can see there where it snapped off. So bit of wire out of one of those disposable barbecue holders, and I bent it around and I stuck it into one of the holes on the switch. And I'll need to tidy that up a little bit, but it's working for now anyway. So that's the story with the Bush. Yeah, overall happy enough with it. I'll probably leave it at that. I'll take it down and might bring it into the house and run it for a day or two. I don't know. It's not really the sort of a set you'd be bringing into the house either. It's not a wonderful looking television. It was only an exercise to see could I get it going, and it seems to be going fairly well. So that's the story. As I say, that's 625. I'll give you a look at 405 now. There we are, we're just off tune a little bit. So it's not bad, it's not wonderful, but it's certainly not bad. So that's the Bush. I'm going to leave the Bush alone now. I think we're all sick of looking at the Bush. I have another one of these I might dig out actually. And see can I get it going. I can't remember if it's going or not. I think it is, or it was, so we'll have a bit of fun with that. Right, so I'll leave it at that for now. Thanks very much for watching and for sticking with me through this unmerciful bloody television set, and I'll bring you more fun very soon. Good luck for now.